I'm Angela from SpinachTiger.com, cooking big, fat, healthy food. Today, I'm going to show you how to make roasted turnips. So if you love roast potatoes, rosemary potatoes like I do, you might really love the turnips because guess what? They're low carb and they're low calories. My friends have a farm and they came over the other day with all of these beautiful turnips, and I was so excited and got to slicing them right away. So I'm going to show you what I do with the turnip. First of all, you just peel it like you do a potato, but because I'm going to slice it thin, I'm going to use a mandolin right here. I am going to just keep that top to hold it, and I'm going to cut this off. When you use a mandolin, and I love this one, this is from OXO, when you use a mandolin, be sure to use the safety on it. That's really important because you can slice yourself, you'll be in the hospital. I'm going to hold the top for a few of these because I just want to show you how nice the mandolin slices. And I can go even probably slightly thinner. Gotta be quick. And I can get it even just a little bit thinner. I can go a lot thicker too. So when you put your mandolin away, please be sure to put it on lock so that there's nothing there, so nobody's gonna get hurt in your household. So we're gonna just make sure all the way down to where I've got nothing, and let me show you what we have out of that turnip. That's so beautiful. Now we're gonna brush these with some olive oil, but I already have some ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna use my rosemary that I got right off my deck because you can grow rosemary all year long in most climates, and I just love that fragrance. So we're gonna brush our olive oil over our turnips. Now I like to get them really done, so I may end up having to turn them over, but until I take them out of the oven, I'm not gonna be too sure. Also, you know, you can cut these in wedges and just make like roasted, just the way you would make potato wedges, you can roast your turnips the same way. And salt is gonna be very key because turnips have that little bit of bitterness to them coming from the family that they come from in the root vegetables. So salt balances that out. And now we're gonna take our rosemary and just spread that over. You can always add some fresh when they come out of the oven if you wanna do that too. Okay, then we'll put some black pepper also, but we'll do that later. These are gonna go in a 400-degree oven, probably 25 to 30 minutes, but I'll be checking at 20 because you always want to check things a little under just to see what's going on in that oven, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so in all honesty, this is the second batch of turnips because the first batch was so good, we ate them all, me and the assistants here, so we just like devoured them, and we liked them with ketchup because then it made them taste like French fries, and they were so delicious. So here they are. They get kind of brown and they do shrink, so just be aware. Put lots of turnips on your tray, bake them 400 degrees. I did convection roast about 20 minutes, and just love your turnips. Thank you for coming to SpinachTiger.com, cooking big, fat, healthy food. Don't forget to go to the blog. There's over 1,100 recipes. You can find me on Facebook. But I really like to connect with you on Instagram. I do a lot of stories. And especially, don't forget to subscribe because we really do appreciate that.